Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the package and creating variables that drive behavior. Open the package in SSDT, then open the Variables pane. Once visible, click Add to create a new variable. Choose an appropriate data type, set an initial value, and select the scope, package, or task, because scope determines visibility. Make naming consistent, for example var source path versus var target table, and choose read only when you only need to reference values. This reduces mistakes and makes expressions and configurations easier to map later. Now you apply variables inside tasks and components to make the package dynamic. In Control Flow or Data Flow, open the property you want to drive and click Expressions. Then select the property, build the expression, and reference variables with @user. var name. For SQL commands or file paths, make sure Evaluate as expression is set when required, and map variables to connection managers or parameters. In script tasks, access variables via DTS, variables with proper read-only or read-write lists. This approach centralizes changes and improves reuse. Finish by validating, testing, and making your variables robust for production. Run the package with breakpoints or the watch window to view variable values at runtime. Enable logging to capture changes across executions. When deploying, switch to parameters or environment variables for safe overrides, and update connection managers or configurations accordingly. If something goes wrong, first check for scope mismatches, spelling differences, or incorrect data types. Those are the most common issues and the quickest to fix, so start there.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.